How to find upcoming birthdays notifications on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find upcoming birthdays notifications on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite and here just click these three lines in the top corner, and after you click on it just go down again. Here you will find settings and then click notifications, and now click birthdays, and here you will find upcoming birthdays. You can turn it off or on or anything you want. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and now see you in the next video.